Okay, so for my white wine tasting video, I chose this white wine from Meridian Vineyards. It's a Chardonnay. And I cooked up this salmon. Looks very good. I read about this pairing from the Mill Keeper. It's a website. I believe it's called the Mill Keeper. The Mill Keeper is correct. That's the name. And I figured it'd be good to make a salmon. I like fish, so I thought it'd be fun to do that. And I think that this wine will pair well with it. I chose this wine, which is a Chardonnay. It's called California Breezy and Fresh, because of its flavors, which I believe will be good, that it says it has on the back. I don't have the varietal on here. It doesn't show that. And it also doesn't show the date that it was bottled, so that's also unfortunate. But it is a cheap bottle of wine, so that's kind of why it shows this bottle as well. It's cheap and it looked good. And I thought this food would be good because, I mean, I like fish, and what better excuse to cook it? And I think that the white wine flavors will enhance the flavor of the fish as well. So now let's go ahead and give this a shot. Okay, so on the bottle it says, I mean, I do smell a bit of grapefruit and everything, but on the bottle it says it'll have aromas of honeysuckle, vanilla, with tropical flavors such as pineapple and grapefruit. So we shall see. Yeah, that's very good. It's not super sweet. A little bit tart, which I like. Yeah, so now let's see how that goes with the salmon, if I can get it without the skin. Got a little piece here. All right. Okay. It's interesting with I think it actually works with the garlic that I put in the salmon. I think that both of those kind of tartar flavors kind of worked out for the pairing. I do taste a bit of the pineapple. I think that's very noticeable. Yeah, I liked it. I think it works. I think it works pretty well. And I don't know if I liked, I mean, maybe salmon isn't the right food. I think it's supposed to be potentially maybe a little bit of a lighter meat, but I figure salmon's pretty light enough. I mean, it's a fish. And based on this experience, next time I combine white table wine and food, I will do the following with. I might try it with a pasta next time, I think. Right now I have rice. I don't know if the rice is going to work super well, but I think I would try it with a pasta, maybe like a creamier sauce. But, you know, I think that the citrusy flavor that I have in the salmon also worked well with the actual wine itself. I think that citrus and wine always go together. And as far as advice I'd give to following students, I'd say definitely try to make a pasta. But, yeah. If you want to make salmon, make a salmon. And yeah.